Oh, hey there, guys. It's, so, it's cur- so it's currently 6:20 in the morning, 10 minutes before my school time. So I thought I'd do a reaction while it's early in the morning. So, so this time I'm gonna be reacting to Tornado Siren Madness, the bad siren outrage. Broken Solar Panel was my childhood hero, in case you didn't know that. Anyways, let's get to the reaction already. Did they
Ha ha
just
ha 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 ha.
It's so
did
much
they
fun
just throw a
causing
water
trouble.
balloon at a
But
power
you know
supply?
what? We
That's
should go have a
dangerous, by
lunch
the way.
break.
Sounds good. Let's go steal some from ATI's appetizers and have a picnic.
They ain't playing.
Hey, what do you say?
Out of here, 2810.
Get the out of our lives. Like, now. Hey, CS8. I have something to tell you.
Shoot.
We've been partners
What
in
is it?
literal crime for quite some time now, and I've actually started to grow feelings for you.
What?
Are you kidding me?
Is he
We haven't
proposing?
done stuff together since the end of the Japan trip episode.
No, I'm not fracking around. I really have a crush on you.
Why are you doing this to me? You know
Hand
I'm not
clapping.
ready for a relationship. Did I not tell you at the beginning of our troublemaking career that I'm singularitized?
But I didn't know.
Oh, forget it, P50. I'm done with you.
Then, why the heck did you join me?
You see, when I first showed up, I was a jerk, just like you. And when I found you, I thought we would make a perfect team. And to be honest, for once, I was just doing it for the free money. But now I realize, making your
Money?
own money is
You're
much
just
better
robbing
than
people for no
stealing from
reason.
others.
Hello? Is CS8 in there? I'd like to speak to her, please.
Oh, lay off. Find yourself another
Okay,
accomplice.
that's
Because
funny
I'm
right
done with
there.
you.
Hey. Well, screw you too.
Who is CS8? CS8?
Yup, it's me.
You and T50 were the ones who killed everyone in Japan as well as plastering the British flag all over the place. Get away from me, you crazy.
No, I'm not going to hurt you. I just came here to say, well, P50 tried to ask me out, so I ditched him. And
Yeah,
I'm ending
he
my
did.
criminal career right here.
Wow. You actually made a good choice for once. But why were you in the troublemaking business in the first place?
I did it for the free money. But then I realized that
Again.
making your own money is better than stealing it.
Well, that's nice. Hey, I have an idea. Maybe you and I could come up with a way to keep P50 at bay. With you being an ex-criminal, you should have some good plans, right?
Yes, actually what I was thinking, is that we gather up all the ridiculously powerful sirens and we go up to P50 while he's taking a nap. Then they'll blast all of their siren tones off at once, which will cause
Oh,
P50 to
good
shoot up
plan.
into outer space. Then he'll fall back down to Earth and land in North Korea, where he'll supposedly never escape.
Oh,
Wow,
no.
that sounds like a plan.
North Korea.
Let's get to work.
So, what's the big loop?
P50 tried to ask me out, so I dumped his and now we're trying to get rid of him. At least for a while anyways. So I was thinking that you should sound all of your siren sounds at the same time. The immense pressure of all your sounds combined should fire P50 into space, where he'll eventually land in North Korea.
Ha. He'll never get out either. Great idea.
The whisper. No, that meme.
Where
There
am
he
I?
is.
Huh? Oh, no. Not here. Fuck. That'll teach him.
Running from the cops.
쓰레기. 그는 어디로 갔습니까? 모르겠어요. 그는 그냥 사라졌다. 나는 그가 발견되기를 원한다. 그리고 나는 그가 체포되기를 원합니다.
Those
He's in
jerks
the clear
screwed
for now.
me. I must get my revenge. One way or another.
Not the missile.
Fuck. I know.
You wouldn't.
Several hours
I
of
get that
crawling
feeling,
through
P50.
literal crap to get here, but this revenge will be heck worth it in the end. More
P-Face is kind of going into sicko mode here. And he got on the missile.
Fuck. See how
This is the end
it
for Sirens are going off.
What the heck is going on?
Might be similar.
Oh my god. It's a nuclear missile. North Korea just launched a ballistic missile at us. Oh crap.
Why is he riding the missile?
See you in hell. Goodness. Jeez, maybe sending T-50 to North Korea wasn't such a good idea after all. Goodness. Well, we ended with
He had
few
a terrible
friends.
idea. I thought it was good for once, but yeah, they're dead.
And everyone died. The end. Whoa. That was intense.
Well, that was a bad and unpleasant ending for those sirens, and I kind of feel bad for them, to be honest. But thanks, guys, for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next reaction. And there goes my alarm. See you.